Lastly, on our Easter selection is hot cross buns. And for the hot cross buns, we've used two base recipes. One is Macphie spiced bun concentrate, and the other is IREKS Mella Brioche. So from the spiced bun concentrate, we've made two products. One is apple and walnut, and the other is spiced toasted coconut. So with the Mella Brioche, we made a variety of hot cross buns. We made white chocolate, cranberry and pistachio, also chocolate, ginger and cranberry, and also date and malt, and also a couple of savoury products, cheese and chorizo, and cheese and garlic. And in the unlikely event of any leftovers, we have two ideas: a treacle tart and a bread and butter pudding.